Hello everyone. So today I want to talk about a very simple question, and this is a question that we have been asked as well, and we ask the same question to our children as well. So that question is, what do you want to be when you grow up? Sounds familiar? Yeah. So this is the most common question, and usually a parent would expect an answer such as, "I want to become a doctor or an engineer," like that. And I've seen a lot of parents who even make their children learn these answers. That if somebody is asking you this question, please reply with this, right? So I would really tell them that please don't put your thoughts in child, let them come up with ideas, let them come up with things that they want to be. And if you ask a young child, they can only answer things which they have experience with, or something that they like in that moment, something they find really cool in that moment. So if you ask a young child, what do you want to be when you grow up, their answers might be like, I want to become a person who has a lot of toys. Or if they like ice cream, it could be, I want to become an ice cream seller. So it could be anything, right? So please give them that opportunity to really explore the world and come up with ideas and answers on their own. Yeah. And the second thing that I want to talk about is, why do we as adults assume that automatically the children, when they grow up, they will be happy and healthy? Why do we assume that? This is to be worked upon during the foundation years, during the early years, as much as academic is to be. We focus upon alphabets, numbers, physical development, and all these areas, but we don't focus upon this area. So how do we really bring a happy environment, and why should we bring in happy environment? So there is this professor from the UK. He's known as the happiness expert. So I would like to quote him. So he says that he found that among adults, having a happy childhood greatly contributed to the meaning of success later on in life, more so than academic accomplishments, money, or success in their work. So this is how much it matters to have a happy childhood. So let's really work upon these two areas, where first point was that give them that opportunity to come up with the answers, and give them that space and time. Whenever they're ready, whenever they have an answer, they can reply to that. And second, to really work towards creating a happy and healthy environment, and really talk to them about absolute happiness. Like, what is absolute happiness? What is relative happiness? What is a momentary happiness? And the absolute one, right? And how to be really, really healthy in life. Yes. So let's really work upon these areas, and I'm sure it'll be a great experience for the child as well. So if you really like this video, please do let me know. Thank you so much.